Hello traders and welcome back to this video. Today I'm gonna cover our CryptoPunk bot and how you can use it in the crypto market to make great scalping trades. I'm on the 1 minute chart Bitcoin and I have loaded the CryptoPunk bot with the default settings and boom, we get great results immediately. And in this video I will cover each feature within the strategy so you can maximize the use of our CryptoPunk bot. So let's dive into it. Alright, let's go to the setting panel by double clicking on the name and boom, there we go. We have a few settings, but the most important ones are the entry time frame and the exit time frame. It's important that these are set to a time frame that is relatively close to the time frame you have on your chart. I am on the 1 minute chart, therefore I have selected the 5 minute for the entry and the 5 minute time frame for the exit. It does not make sense to use the daily, the 4 hour or the 1 hour chart when you are on a lower time frame such as the 1 minute. So keep in mind the entry and exit time frame should be relatively close to the time frame you have on your chart. But basically, this is how it works. If I set the time frame, if I set the exit time frame to 10 minutes, the algorithm will basically close all positions in the 10-minute time frame. And of course, we get fewer signal, but on the other hand, the net profit goes up and the winning rate in this case goes up as well. If I set it to 5 minutes, we will see that we get a lot more trades. We have a winning percent of 60 and a net profit of 8. So you can play around with the entry and exit time frame a little bit and change it to see if any other time frame performs even better, and you can go with that. Let's talk about the strategy filters. These filters helps the algorithm to execute the trade at the best possible price. And to illustrate this, I will enable the exit filter, so notice how some of the exit points will shift towards a better price. Let's see what happens. Boom, there we go. We can see that we had an exit on this bar without the filter. Now we will exit at this price, a much better price. And this signal was executed at this bar without the filter. Now we are closing the trade at this price. And this signal was closed on this bar. And now we are closing the position at this bar. When enabling the entry and exit filter, the algorithm tries to find even better entry and exit points to maximize the performance of the strategy. If you increase the entry and exit value, you will get fewer trades, but you are at the same time telling the algorithm to find even better price points to execute the trades on. So for example, if we set this to 10, we will get fewer signal, but we are telling the algorithm to only take the most significant trades, and that's why we only get this one in this example and the rest are filtered out. My recommendation is that you keep the value between 2 and 5, play around a little bit and see what works in your market. Let's talk about the cool AI external filter that allows us to use any indicator on TradingView as a filter for filtering out our signals. This is how it works. So make sure to load the indicator you want to use as a filter on the chart. I have loaded our ATR SAR trading stop. It's this line. And now I only want to take long signals if the close is above this trailing. So how can we do that? We go to the setting panel right there and we scroll down to enable external AI filter. We have two sources, source 1 and source 2. The external AI filters do only work if we have long only or short only selected. And the filters we have built is for long only, source 1 is greater than source 2, and for short only, source 1 is less than source 2. And in our case, I only want signal if close is greater than the trailing line, meaning that I have to set the source 1 to close and source 2 to the trailing line. This means that source 1 is greater than source 2. In this case, close is greater than the trailing line. If we look at the chart right now, we can see that we get trades despite we are below this trailing line. Why? It's because of AI. This is one of the most fantastic features within AI. It actually allows us to catch those nice trades despite we are having this filter saying we can only catch the signal if close is greater than the trailing line. But our AI function kicks in and say, no, this is a great trade, so please take this trade anyways. That is why we get this trade despite we are under the trailing line. Our AI function is flexible enough to catch trades even though we have applied our filters. It's really, really cool. I have covered the main features in the CryptoPunk bot, and I hope you're gonna understand how to tune the settings even more. And in the next video, I'm gonna show you some great backtest and what settings we can use. Comment below which market and time frame I should focus on so I can show you the backtest you want to see. Alright, have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.